How to fix Instagram not everyone can message this account problem. So if you want to solve the problem of not everyone can message your account, then what you need to do is first open up your Instagram. And if you have a private account, then simply go and switch to a public account so that everyone can be able to message you. So go to the profile, which is on the bottom right, go with the upper right, which has that three bar icon. And here you just need to simply scroll down and you will have account privacy. Tap on it and then turn off the private account option and tap on switch to public, which is on the bottom. Once you switch to a public account, now you just need to simply go back and go with messages and story replies. Now tap on message controls. Under message controls, you just need to simply go with your followers on Instagram. And here you will have message request option, right? So simply tap on the message request as I've already chosen. So you just need to simply go with message request. If you have the option selected to don't receive request, then you can simply go with message request and you will receive the messages. So that's how you can fix Instagram not everyone can message this account problem. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.